Have you ever wondered why some geography facts seem too good to be true? Join us as we unveil the top 10 common geography mistakes. How many did you believe? Don't miss out! Subscribe for more fascinating geography insights. Number 10. Africa is a country. Have you ever thought Africa was a country? It's time to debunk this common geography mistake. Africa is often misunderstood as a single country, but it's an entire continent. It's the second largest continent globally, comprising 54 recognized countries, diverse cultures, and a multitude of languages. From the pyramids of Egypt to the savannas of Kenya and the deserts of Namibia, Africa's landscapes are incredibly varied. This misconception stems from a lack of geographic awareness and possibly media mispresentation. Each African nation has its unique history, traditions, and customs. Failing to recognize this diversity oversimplifies a vast and complex part of the world. So remember, Africa is not a country. Number 9. Greenland is as big as Africa. Is Greenland really as big as Africa? Greenland and Africa, two vastly different landmasses, are often wrongly compared in terms of size. The misconception that Greenland is as large as Africa arises from mispresentations on maps due to the Mercator projection, which distorts the true sizes of continents. The reality is quite different. Africa is the second largest continent on Earth, covering approximately 30.2 million square kilometers. Greenland, on the other hand, is the world's largest island, but its land area is only about 2.2 million square kilometers. That's roughly 14 times smaller than Africa. So while Greenland is undeniably vast and beautiful, it's nowhere near the size of Africa. Number 8. Deserts always have high temperatures. Are deserts always scorching hot? Let's explore another geography myth. The common misconception stems from images of vast and dunes and relentless sunshine. While some deserts are indeed blistering, like the Sahara, others exhibit a range of temperatures. Deserts, due to their lack of moisture, they can experience extreme temperature fluctuations. Daytime temperatures can soar, but at night they can plummet to surprisingly cold levels. For example, the Atacama Desert in Chile is one of the driest places on Earth, but it can be quite chilly during the night. Similarly, the Gobi Desert in Asia experiences a wide temperature range. Number 7. The Statue of Liberty is in New York. Well, you're not alone. It's a common misconception, but let's clear this up. The Statue of Liberty is indeed a symbol of New York, but its physical location is a little more complex. The statue stands on Liberty Island, which is in the New York harbor, but it's actually closer to New Jersey than Manhattan. So when you visit this iconic lady, you're technically in New Jersey waters. This monument was a gift from France to the United States in 1886 and has since become a symbol of freedom and democracy. Number 6. Iceland is covered in ice. Let's break this myth today. Contrary to its name, Iceland isn't a frozen wasteland. It's actually quite the opposite. Yes, Iceland has glaciers, but it's also home to lush green landscapes, geothermal springs, and even volcanoes. The country's unique blend of ice and fire makes it a geological wonder. The name Iceland might have been a clever marketing ploy by the early settlers to deter competition. In reality, Iceland offers some of the most stunning and diverse natural beauty you can find. Number 5. Sydney is the capital of Australia. While Sydney is undoubtedly one of Australia's most famous cities, it's not the capital. The capital of Australia is actually Canberra, which is located in the Australian Capital Territory. Canberra was purpose-built to be the capital in the early 20th century. It's where the country's government institutions, including Parliament House, are located. Sydney, on the other hand, is the capital of New South Wales and is known for its iconic landmarks. Number 4. The Mississippi is the longest river in the USA. While the Mississippi River is undeniably iconic, it's not the longest river in the USA. The honor goes to the Missouri River, stretching over 2,300 miles, compared to the Mississippi's 2,320 miles. The Mississippi is famous for its cultural significance and role in American history, but geographically speaking, the Missouri takes the title. It flows through breathtaking landscapes from the Rocky Mountains to the Great Plains. So remember, when it comes to length, it's the Missouri that claims the top spot. Number 3. England and the United Kingdom are the same thing. While it's easy to think they are interchangeable, England and the United Kingdom are not synonymous. The United Kingdom, often abbreviated as the UK, is a sovereign country comprising 4 countries. These are England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, each with its own distinct culture and identity. England, on the other hand, is just one of these 4 countries, although it is the largest and most populous. So while you might be enjoying a cup of English tea, remember that there is more to the UK than just England. That's the scoop on England and the United Kingdom. Number 2. Toronto is the capital of Canada. While Toronto is a vibrant, important city in Canada, it's not the capital. Canada's capital city is Ottawa, which is situated in eastern Ontario. Ottawa is where you'll find the country's political heart, including Parliament Hill and the official residence of the Canadian monarch and the Prime Minister. Toronto, on the other hand, is the largest city in Canada and the capital of the province Ontario. It's famous for its cultural diversity, financial district, and iconic landmarks like the CN Tower. Number 1. America is a country. You've probably heard people say America, but it's essential to clarify America isn't a country, it's a continent. The continent of America comprises North America, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean islands. When someone says America, they are often referring to the United States of America, which is a country in North America. The USA is just one of 35 countries in the Americas, so it's essential to remember that America isn't a single nation but a diverse continent with various countries, cultures, and languages. Thanks for debunking these geography myths with us. Stay curious and keep exploring. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting facts.